Hello friends, Tanya here with another product close-up video for the Autumn Impressions release. This time I am doing Nightscape Scene Builders stamps and dies. This is a stamp set with a variety of images. We've got several different seasons and occasions you can create with this and coordinating dies for the images. Let's start out with some groupings of images. Here we've got a couple of fireworks and a little pixie and some pixie dust that I embossed on that particular sample. Here is a superhero flying through the sky, and I paired that one with some birds and some clouds. There are 3 clouds in this stamp set, and they can be very wispy and ethereal, or they can be very spooky. We've got a witch on her broomstick, a ghost, and some bats. We also have Santa and his sleigh of reindeer, and a swoosh that he's riding through the sky, and 5 different stars. Here are the images that have coordinating dies. We have a die for the witch, and we have a die for the ghost, and we also have a die for each of the clouds. They just cut them out exactly. Now the clouds you can actually use separate without the stamped image, and I've seen some great examples die cutting them with vellum. I can see doing some lovely embossing and die cutting them also. Here we've got the superhero, and we have a die that cuts him out, and again we have the dies that cut the clouds. Next up, we have the pixie. We have a die that cuts out the pixie. There aren't dies to cut out the fireworks or the pixie dust, but we don't need those. We also have a die to cut out the swoosh. Now that would work perfectly to do with vellum also if you want that soft look. And a die that cuts out Santa and his sleigh of reindeer. This stamp and die set also works perfectly with this Moonlit Town die, which is a window die. It's perfect to frame these different images for some fun peek through cards or just some layers on the front of a card. And this die also works on many card front sizes. I'm showing you how each of these fits in that die cut window. It frames them just perfectly. And here are a few examples from the design team. We're very much in the Halloween spirit in this particular video, but there are more holiday samples to come. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in any of the products that I highlighted here, they'll be linked in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.